Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install MySQL 8.4 on Linux Mint operating systems. First open any web browser, open terminal also. Now go to mysql.com, click on downloads, then scroll down. See here we have the MySQL community downloads, click on it. Then click on MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.0, 8.4 and 9.1. 9.1 is the innovation, but long-term support version is 8.4.3. So select it, then select the operating system. See here we don't have the Linux Mint. Okay, so select the Ubuntu Linux, then select the version, select the latest Ubuntu version 24.04. Then see here it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be installed to install the MySQL server. So instead of downloading each one, download the deb bundle package. So click on download. No thanks, just start my download. See, download has been started and its size is 475 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal, go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the MySQL server.tar file. We have to untar this file by using the command tar-xf MySQL, view the tab, hit enter, ls. See here we have the Debian packages. We have to install these one by one. But instead of installing one by one, we can install all at a time. Okay. Before installing them, Control A. We have to install the following packages. Those are. I will keep this command in the video description. Also, we have to run this one. This will be also there in the video description. Okay. Type and hit enter. Control L. Now install ls sudo dpkg-i star.deb. Hit enter. Now we have to set the password for root account. So provide the password. We have successfully installed. Control L. Now connect to MySQL server. Sudo systemctl. First verify the MySQL server status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL server started and it is enabled. Control A. Now connect to MySQL. MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password that we have given at the time of installation. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server. Let us verify the version. Select version. See here we have already there version 8.4.3, but we can also verify by running this command. Okay. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with installation of MySQL 8.4 on Linux Mint. Now create a database. Create database. Now verify again. See, new database is there. Okay. So to switch to this new database, we have to run the command use, then provide the database name. Now verify the current database by running the command select. See, we are in the Art Schools database. Let us verify list of tables in this database. So tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create a table and insert data. Now verify the data. See, if we give star means it retrieved all the column values, but if you want only the particular column values like this name column value only, then give the column names. See, you got that particular column value. Now verify list of users, show users, but this won't work, just I want to show you. You can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, these are the list of the users that comes with MySQL installation. Now create a user. Create user. Now verify again. See, new user James is there. Okay, so now connect to this user. Exit from the MySQL connection. Now run the same MySQL-u. Instead of root, give the James-p. Then provide the password that we have set for this user. Now try. Okay. Now see, we have connected with the James user. Let us verify the current user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user James. But now try to connect to new database. See, access denied for the user James to the database, this one. Okay, so why? Because we haven't granted any privileges to connect to a database or any schemas or objects. Okay, so we have to grant the privileges. Exit. Now we will see how to start and restart MySQL on Linux Mint operating system. Command is sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL server is stopped. Okay, Control L. Now also verify by trying to MySQL server. MySQL-root-p. Then provide the password. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. Okay, so start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify again. See, MySQL service is started. Queue. Now connect to MySQL. MySQL-u root-p. Okay, we have successfully connected. The last option is exit. Restart MySQL service. Sudo systemctl restart MySQL. We have successfully restarted. Until now we have connected MySQL by using MySQL client, but we can also connect to MySQL server by using GUI tools, pgadmin, and MySQL Workbench and dbeaver. You can go through my channel. There you can find how to install MySQL Workbench and dbeaver on Linux Mint. I'm in downloads directory. So we have successfully installed MySQL server. So remove these files which are not required anymore. So rm star.deb ls, we have one more file, remove that one also. MySQL, give the tab, hit enter. Ls, see, you have successfully cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL 8.4 on Linux Mint operating systems. For more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.